Welcome back, Ice Dancers of YouTube. Today we're serving up more requests from our viewer community. Give me just 4 minutes of your time and I guarantee you'll leave this video with at least one extra thing to help you to practice, probably more. In this video we're going to cover one of my favourite things to teach. It's backward outside edges. We'll be looking at fun and easy ways to build them from scratch and the journey towards mastering them. This video is a stepping stone towards backward outside 310, so you'll want to subscribe to get the notification of when that one premieres. Starting with an entry-level exercise, but this is a great one for revision. We're going to glide on 2 feet, 1 foot directly in front of the other, making a narrow base. You'll notice the back leg is slightly bent and the front one is stretched out. And while it acts as a stabilizer, it carries no weight. Setting up, we make sure we twist our torso to face into the circle. Feet in single file, a nice narrow line. Carrying the weight of your body in your back foot, you can gently lift the front foot just a few centimeters to test your balance. As you grow in confidence, you can aim to increase the length of the glide on 1 foot. You can maintain the body check by gently squeezing the free side towards the circle. There are many training tools for skaters on the market, but here's one that costs practically nothing. It's especially useful for ice dancers, and I'll be doing a separate video on how to make one and how to use one another time. So here's our next stage of exercise. We're going to cycle through 3 positions facing into the circle, bringing the upper body square and facing along the circle, and then continuing to rotate the upper body to face out of the circle. Our bargain basement training aid helps to connect the movements of the upper body. The cardboard tube is lighter and safer than a solid stick, marked in the center for coaching alignment, and the elastic reminds us that our shoulder girdle moves because of our core twist. A straight glide drill with the body square. We're going to cross the free leg, bring it into perfect straight alignment in front, and then take it wide. Now we're going to see what each of those feels like on a curve. Starting facing into the circle, we're going to try crossed free leg into the circle. You can take more flow at these exercises as I was trying to stay in camera shot. Once again, facing into your circle, we're going to take the free foot directly over the tracing. This alignment the same as our very first exercise today. And for contrast, we want to know what it feels like when our free leg goes wide. You'll notice the circle get very shallow and it becomes difficult to maintain an outside curve. Alignment is everything. For upper body too, so here we have correct alignment. And next we see the shoulders tipping. This can be as a result of tension in the right side. Next is the hips tipping back. The butt is out. Both of these errors can make it incredibly difficult to maintain a curve. This is a great exercise, but please be safe, start small and near a wall if you need to. Establish a backwards glide. Settle the weight into the ball of the foot and then gently rotate the standing leg side to side. Here comes a back view. We're going to keep the upper body as still as we can, the free leg also as still as we can. This one's not good enough. Let's do it again. So we set up, establish the glide, and then pivot the standing leg only. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, but what to watch next? Well, we have a whole playlist of Technical Tuesdays for you to choose from, or you can put those skills to good use and try learning a dance with our Step Scholar videos in this playlist here. Alternatively, you can be the biggest friend to this channel and click subscribe. Keep us motivated to keep making videos for you.